Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add and manage customer records in the iVendi platform. Let's get started. First, let's look at how to add a customer record. Adding customers is easy. Simply select Add Customer in the navigation panel on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Complete all fields as prompted and click Add Customer Contact. You will not be able to save the form until all mandatory fields are complete. You can assign this lead to yourself by clicking the box here. Now that you've created a new customer record, you need to know where to find it. Simply select View Customers from the navigation panel to go to your full contact list. From here, you can either scroll through the list of contacts or use the available features to help you locate your chosen record. You can use the search bar to search for a customer record by the customer's name, email, or the vehicle make. You can filter leads to view only your own assigned leads or unassigned leads, and a date option is available, which will locate contacts created on a specific date or between a date range. You can add a new contact directly from this page, and you can assign any contact to a member of your team here. So now let's take a look at a customer record. All prospect information is neatly displayed on one page. Customer contact details are visible here. These can be edited by selecting the Edit Customer link. You can also delete a customer record here. You can assign the lead to a member of your team here. And from this page, you can easily build a quote, send a digital deal, or close this deal. And all the vehicles the customer has been interested in are visible here. From here, you can select any of the vehicles, which in turn will pull through any other details, such as finance applications or finance checks that are associated with that vehicle. And you can add another vehicle to this customer record by choosing the Add Vehicle button. See all finance checks that have been carried out against the vehicle. You may see multiple checks against the same vehicle. This is because the customer has performed different checks using a variety of deposit values and different loan terms. You can easily see if the customer is likely to be approved for each product here, and you can view the full quote details by selecting View. Thanks for taking the time to watch this tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If you need any further support, please contact us on support@ivendi.com.